Maker. Mr. Maker. Mr. Maker.
Are you ready for an arty party? We're in the party pad. It's the perfect place for a party. So, let's get arty. It's the Mini Makers. Okay then, Mini Makers. Now, are you feeling arty?
Yeah!
I said, are you feeling arty? Then let's party! We're gonna have a party, and look who I've invited, the Shapes and Scrappz. He's so excited, all the Mini Makers are partying too. But most importantly, we invite you! Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's get arty, everybody party. Let's get arty, everybody party! Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh, hello, Scrappz, my friend. It's great to see you. Now, what do you think we should make our party about today? Oh, well, don't worry, Scrappz. You have a think about it. I wonder if you've got any ideas. Come on, Mini Makers, over you come. Have a look at the screen. We're going to show you some clues. See if you can guess what our party's going to be about today.
Dog!
What sort of dog is it?
Dalmatian!
What have the flowers got on them? And what's a ladybird got on it? And I'll give you one last clue, Mini Makers. My lovely waistcoat with lots of...
Spots!
That's right. So what's our party going to be about today, Mini Makers?
Spots!
That's right. We're going to have a spotty, dotty party today. Yay! Hello, Scrappz. Oh, look at that. Lovely spotty bow tie. I love it. You wouldn't want to be spotted wearing anything else. OK, Mini Makers, now let's start off by getting Dotty and Spotty and making an arty party picture. What shall we use today?
Card. Pencil with a rubber. Pom-poms. We could put our fingers in the paint and then print it on the paper.
Great ideas, Mini Makers, and in fact, thank you. That's just given me a brilliant idea. Let's get arty at our party, and Dotty and Spotty too, printing dots and spots. But first, we'll need some things from... the That's right. We'll need a cloth, some card or paper, and some paint. A cookie cutter. A sprout. A sprout? Doodle tube. We need spots, not sprouts. Honestly. And we'll need some round things to print with and a pencil. OK then, Mini Makers, now let's start off by bringing in some paper or card, and we're going to draw on this around something that's a fun shape. Now, you can use anything you like, but today I'm going to use this cookie cutter. Let's put it down and draw around it. That's right. And now we need to add some colourful dots and spots. And we're going to do that by using a pencil, and we're going to dip this pencil into some paint using the rubber end. Right, let's dip it into some paint and then dab it onto the card. Now, if you want to choose another colour, get a cloth and clean your pencil off like this. One nice clean pencil. And now we can choose another colour. Let's put lots of colourful dots and spots onto our picture. These dots are all outside the star shape, but you can put yours wherever you like. Keep on adding more spots and dots until you're happy with the end result. There! What do you think, Mini Makers? Do you like it?
Yeah!
Brilliant! Well, you are going to get your chance to make your very own Arty Party picture. But first, you need to put on your Arty apron! It's time to start the art! Excellent, Alim. Now, you used a circle-shaped cookie cutter to draw around. What colours have you used in your picture?
The yellow on one side, the turquoise on one short side here, and the orange in the rest.
Lots of spots and dots in colourful circles. Well done, Alim. And I wonder, has anyone ever had any ideas using dots and spots before? Let's find out. Over 100 years ago, a painter called Georges Seurat lived in France. For a while, no one liked his paintings.
What's the point?
But then one day, he had an idea.
That's the point! Dot, 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 dot!
He decided to paint different parts of his picture using lots and lots of tiny dots. The painting was so big and so complicated that it took him nearly 2 years to finish.
I'm sick! I'm sick! I'm covered in paint. Oh, well, nearly done. Just 173 days to go. Oh.
When he finally displayed the painting, people were amazed by the fantastic effect.
Thank you, thank you. What? You want another one? Not a problem. Just give me another 2 years. Oh.
Georges Seurat was very clever, wasn't he? Just like the thousands of colourful dots called pixels, which make up all digital pictures today. A bit like this one here. Seurat was very clever. He used lots of painty dots to make a picture, 100 years before digital cameras were invented. And now, let's see how our mini makers are getting on. Wow, now Caitlin, what colours have you used in your picture?
I've used pink, green, blue and yellow.
Now Caitlin, how did you make the big dots and spots?
Well, I used the big dots and spots with the big pencil at the end.
With a big pencil, great idea. Wow, it's a very colourful dotty and spotty picture. Now, Sky, what did you draw around in the middle?
Butterfly.
A butterfly, that's right, and it looks great. OK, Brooke, this is a lovely, colourful, spotty, dotty picture. And what's in the middle there?
A teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Now, Michael, you've got a very, very colourful picture. What colours have you used?
And it was the green, pink, yellow, orange and blue.
Lots and lots of colourful spots. Now, make your picture as colourful as you like, because... Wait a minute. What's that noise? It sounds like someone's asleep at our party. Who is it, everyone? That's right, it's the shapes. I think we should wake them up. So after 3, ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3. Dance!
I am a shape.
I am a shape. Here we go. I am
A shape.
Scrappz. Let's party! Come on, mini makers. Let's all dance with the shapes.
I am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air. Triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square. Draw it here, draw it there.
Everybody draw a square.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce, everybody. Bounce like you just don't care.
Everybody.
What's it going to be? Wait and we will see. A shape for you and me.
I am a circle.
Look at these 2 pictures. How many differences can you spot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. There are 5 differences. That was fantastic, Circle. It's time to get back on the shelf. Oh, look!
It's
Scrappz Surprise Party Popper! To make a paper dot bird picture like this, carefully use a hole punch to make paper dots out of coloured paper. You can make any colour dots you want. Now, make circles of glue on the paper. Sprinkle the coloured dots onto the glue circles. Make sure they're stuck down. And shake off the extra dots. Stick on paper triangle beaks. And sticker eyes. Next, draw a line just underneath the birds. And add some legs so they can stand on a wire. Fantastic! Your paper dot bird picture is finished. It looks brilliant! What a great idea, Scrappz! And you can make any paper dot picture you like. Fantastic! Tyrell, why don't you show us your picture and tell us all about it? What is it? Look at that!
This is my purpley monster, and I put 2 eyes here and 3 eyes here to make it look scary.
That is out of this world. Well done, Tyrell. Stephanie, look at this beautiful picture. What a lovely face and beautiful hair. What did you make that with? Lots and lots?
Of yellow dots.
Well done, brilliant. And then last but not least, we've got Tiana here with a super starfish. Now, what have you got on your super underwater starfish picture, Tiana?
So I've got 2 eyes and a cheeky little mouth with bubbles all around it.
With a cheeky little smile, just like me. Well done, Mini Makers. They are fantastic spotty, dotty pictures. But now, for something different, follow me. This way, Mini Makers. Come on, everyone. Come on, Mini Makers. Now, you are going to make a brilliant party picture. Have a look at the screen and see if you can guess what it's going to be.
What picture are today's mini makers making? Any ideas? What do you think it could be?
It's a leopard!
That's right, it was a leopard. And it was a really good picture, mini makers. Well done. All that noise means that it's time for...
An Arty party
So, it's over to Party Cam to find out which mini makers are playing today. It's Alim! Yay! Who's next? Here we go. It's Kira! Go on, off you go. It's Caitlin! Well done, my friends. You've been chosen for a very special Arty challenge. You've probably heard of a game called Spot the Difference, but today, mini makers, your Arty challenge is called Different Spots. You've got to make lots and lots of painty spots on this giant piece of paper with those giant painty stampers. It's going to get a bit messy, and that's why you're wearing your Arty suits. Now, Caitlin, Alim, and Kira, do you think you can do it?
Yes!
I think so too, but you're going to have to be quick. You must finish all of your spots and dots before Scrappz makes this noise. Woo. Get ready, get steady, go! That's it. Over, down the other end. You need more paint, mini makers. Doing a great job, mini makers. Keep going. Some yellow spots. Do you think they're going to do it? Oh, just in time, Scrappz. Back over here, mini makers. Come on over here. Let's have a look at your lovely picture. Look at that. It's a fantastic, huge, spotty, dotty painting. Well done, mini makers. Did you have lots of fun?
Yeah!
Well, it's now time to tidy up. So let's go and tidy up our paint and our stampers, mini makers. What a great Arty party we've had today.
We've had lots of dotty, spotty fun today, printing with paint and making paper dot pictures. We found out how Georges Seurat made a spotty painting, and we played different spots to make a really big dotty picture. We've been Arty at our Arty party.
Are you ready? Your fun's just begun! That's right, our party's over, but your Arty fun is just beginning. It's time to put the party pad back in its box. See you soon, everyone. Bye!